Little storyteller.
The fluffy bunny, Barnaby, carefully nudged a tiny toy car. Almost there, Zoom, he whispered. Beside him, Rosie the ragdoll adjusted the small phone, leaning against a stack of colorful building blocks. Her button eyes squinted in concentration. Just a little bit more to the right, Barnaby. Across the room, in their cozy corner behind the bookshelf, Monty the monkey held up a tiny hand-drawn sign that read, "The Great Toy Race." Flora the felt elephant carefully placed a small sparkly star on top of the building block finish line. Her long floppy ears twitched with excitement. "It needs a little sparkle," she trumpeted softly. Barnaby gave Zoom one final, gentle push. The little yellow car rolled smoothly towards the sparkly finish line. Click! The phone camera took another picture. Later, when Timmy was asleep, the toys gathered around the phone. Rosie carefully swiped through the pictures. Zoom zoomed across the screen. Monty cheered, and Flora gently clapped her ears. Barnaby smiled, his fluffy tail twitching with pride. They had made their very own movie. It wasn't just one toy that made the movie. It took all of them working together.
Please subscribe. Thank you.